Hey everyone, Jason here. I have the TM Designworks chain guard for KTMs. I'm going to open this up and give it a close-up look and compare it to the one that I destroyed, being my Cherby's one. Stick around. Alright, cool. So this is the TM Designworks chain guide. This replaces the factory chain guide on your KTM Husqvarna gas. So initial impressions, this thing is high quality. The plastic is extremely tough, extremely hard. This is actually, I mean, this chain guide comes really highly recommended from some hard enduro guys. And so you know it can take quite a bit of abuse. This is replacing the same thing in a Cherby's, and my Cherby's one took a pretty bad hit on our last ride and actually broke. I'll see if I can't separate that. But yeah, so you can see here the sucker smashed and kind of disintegrated. So initial impressions are the plastic that the TM Designs is made of is a lot higher quality and a lot harder than this Cherby's plastic. So I'll be doing an install video, a quick short one because there's not much to it, but an install video nonetheless, pairing this with the Bulletproof Designs aluminum chain guide. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, click like and subscribe, and yeah, keep looking out for more stuff.